to again TechOrbit channel. So in orientation video, I think you already watched you all. So on that orientation video, I told you what is the going to be in upcoming lecture, what all the series, what all the session is will it's going to having. Okay. So like today just told you I just today I will just told you like what is going to be a data analytics, what is this in real world, where we are using this, and how many opportunities and career scope in this domain is available, and if possible I will tell you also today that what is this and what is the data types of all the in current world. Okay. So like so yesterday in orientation video I told you all just going with the English communication, strong your English communication. I think, I guess you all going with great with that communication, and you are trying to be pronounce all the professional word also. So that will be good also. If not, anybody is not doing, start your communication practice from today. Okay. So just prepare all the notes also with me. Whatever I am telling, just prepare notes. So it will be helpful for you all also. So let's start. So I will tell you what is the data analytics. Okay, what is the data analytics? Data analytics. Okay, so data analytics, if I told you the definition, so data analytics refers to analyzing, interpreting, and deriving insight from raw data. So it will be helpful for making a decision and solving a problem. Okay, so yesterday also I told you about that, but today also I will tell you. Suppose you have some raw data and you have some raw data and you want to explain with company what is that raw data is saying. Okay, you have raw data. Raw data means you have data in Excel format, CSV format, something in like 1 2 3 like that, and you want to explain all the data of that business unit. So can you explain with this raw data to that business unit what is that raw data is saying? Yes or no? I guess it will be no, because this you have like 1000 1 millions of rows of data. So can you explain from that raw data to your business what this data is saying? No, you can't explain. Okay. So for that, the data analytics job is here. Like it's convert that raw data is meaningful insight. Meaningful insight means it's create that raw data in meaningful chart. Okay, meaningful chart using bar chart, column chart, line chart. Okay, what the data is saying. So now I think you can explain from that chart is very good way. Okay, so that time you need the data analytics job. Okay, that time the company needs the data analytics job. Okay, now next I will tell you basically like in real world, in real world where we are using this work. Okay, so first can I take one example? So first I will take an example like suppose a minute uh, suppose like in real scenario you have Netflix. Okay, you have Netflix, and in Netflix you are watching daily, you are watching comedy movie. Today you watched comedy movie, today you watched, then tomorrow also you watched same comedy movie you watched. Okay, Then from next day, what Netflix will do, it will suggest you, it will suggest you comedy movie. It's I think it's happened you with you all. If I am not wrong, it because it's happened with me also. That's you noticed. You all will be noticed. Like you watch that all the comedy movie and it will show you. Suppose in Flipkart you search some like men's dress. Okay. Then second day also you search. Then from next day it will suggest to you dresses. And Zomato, all the apps, it's showing what you want. Okay, so how it's happening? It's happening because it's collecting your data, what you want to watch, what you want to buy. It's collecting your data from yesterday data, from today data, and from that data, it's predicting what you want in tomorrow. So that is the prediction, that is the data science. Okay, so that, and the second example we can say like a weather app. Weather app, as you know all here. Here I can show you this. It's loading. I think in your all systems and in all laptops and phone there is a weather app and it will predicting like yesterday what was the weather and tomorrow what is going to be weather. It will be 30 degrees Celsius or it will be rain. What will be the weather? It is predicting. So how it's happening? It's happening it's happening due to data science. Okay, due to data science. And data science is nothing, it's just combination of machine learning, statistic, data analytics, everything. That's why I am telling the data scientist, if you want to become a data scientist you have to knowledge in data analytics. In data analytics, data engineering means it's a combination of whatever you are doing in data analytics you have to do in data science also, but there is a one more extra thing is added with data analytics. Okay, so that is the data science, that is the, and there is a lots of examples where you are using. Okay, now next, that's done. I think now you are all knowing where we are using in real life the data science. Okay, now I will tell you how many opportunities is there, means regarding that data, regarding that data, how many jobs you can take. Okay, so one, you can take data analyst, that you I told you it's starting position of the data job. Then second, you can take business as a business analyst. Okay, then third, you can take as a BI developer. Okay, BI developer, Tableau developer, like that. Then fourth, you can take as a data engineer job, data engineer job. And the fifth, you can take as a machine. Okay, machine engineer job. Okay, so like a data analyst job, what is the work of data analyst job? You have data, you look up the data and you clean the data and you prepare reports. That is the work of the data analyst. What is the business analyst job? Suppose he but business analyst have report whatever the data analyst created, and it will just talk communicate with the business unit, it will explain the business unit. Then the BI developer means it's the purpose of the making the dashboard everything using Power BI and Tableau. Data engineer job is nothing, is just building system that is store and move large amount of that. That is the work of the data engineer. And the machine learning engineer, that already I told you, in that you have to create model for prediction. What is the data science? I told you already, in data science we are going to learn machine learning everything. That is the so that all the, then for next you will got the data scientist. Okay, you will got the data scientist, which is the more popular, more um, you can say you need more skills to become a data scientist. Okay, this is the combination of all, combination of statistics, machine learning, coding, complex problem. Means you have to know about data analyst, the business analyst, means communication. I told you need communication. You have to learn about data analyst. You know about Power BI. You have to know about Power BI. You have to know about data, how to store everything. You have to know about machine learning prediction, then you can become a data scientist. Okay, so that all the things. Now I will tell you that the last page of today's session. What is that? That is what is the data? How many types of a data? Okay, so uh, I will told you like what is a data. Okay, so data is just a collection of collection of information, collection of facts. Okay, suppose there is a school. In a school there is a teacher. Okay, in that school there is a lots of students, S1, S2, S3, S4, lots of students, and teacher have some seat. Okay, teacher have some seat, and he is collecting student ID, student name, and student roll number, student mark, student phone number. Okay, so when teacher is writing in that sheet, after all the information, student 1, student 2, student 3 is information, student 4 information, that sheet become our data. So means it is collecting from if every student, that is a collection of information, which is called a data. I think I am clear. So now I am going to explain how many types of data in real world in this industry. So if we take here like types of data, so we can take two types of. First, like types of data based on the organization, means in the real world how they are saying in one word. Okay, this is the data. This is, they are not saying this is a integer data, this is a string data. No, this is saying in a one word. They are saying in a one word. So how? What those all the word. Okay, so types of data, types of data based on organization. First one is a unstructured data. Second one is a semi structured data. Semi structured data. Third one is a structured data. Okay, what these all? These three of types of data, but what these all? What's the meaning of unstructured data? What is the meaning of semi-structured data? What is the meaning of structured data? So I will tell you one by one. First, I will tell you unstructured data. Unstructured data. So data which do not have any predefined structure or organized. When data is not in organized way, that is called the unstructured data. When data is not in a structured way. Okay, which type of data that are? So I am giving some examples, like suppose you have um, suppose you have like you are suppose you are using Flipkart, okay, and um, ah suppose not Flipkart, we can take an example of Flipkart. When you using Flipkart, after that you suppose you purchase something, and after that you will got one feedback form. You fill that feedback form. So when you fill that feedback form, that all the information, it will always in a unstructured way, means because that will be in a text format. Okay, when data in a text format, that is a unstructured way. Suppose that image behind that is data will be in a unstructured format. Okay, so that is all we can say, the unstructured format. Okay, means social media all data, like you are watching reels and you comment on that reel, you comment on that reel, so that comment also in a unstructured way. Okay, so that is a unstructured data, means not organized. Now we will learn about the semi structured data. What? No, I will first we will learn about first we will learn uh, structured structured data. So what is the structured data? The structured data means you when you can read the data, data in a table format, that is a structured data. When data in a structured format, in row and column format, you can read, you can clearly see what is the meaning of the data, what is data is saying. So that time you can say that is a structured, that is a organized form. Okay, so that is a structured data. Now third we will going to learn what is the semi structured data. Semi structured data. Semi structured, I think you all already guessed what the meaning of that. This is the combination of both. Means this is the combination of both. Means structured form. Here some data in a structured format and some data in a unstructured format. Okay, some data in a unstructured format, that is called the semi structured data. Okay, so suppose we can take an example, email. Here you all know emails. Okay, so in that email, suppose when you open, you want to send a email someone. So when you open that email, so here header, the header part in a structured way, and that body where you are writing all the content, that body is in a unstructured way. Okay, so that combination of both, some in a structured way, some in a unstructured way, that is called a semi structured data. Now I think you all know very well what is the meaning of semi structured, structured and unstructured. Okay, okay, so uh, I will send you notes in uh, the the notes will be attached in with this video. Okay, you all can download and you all can understood what is the means, you can make the notes, everything. Okay, so that is all about the today's session. Okay, now you all just understood more, explore about that. And if you need, if you not understood anything, just comment for that, and you can contact me. I will explain more clearly. I will make another video and I will explain on that also more clearly. Okay, okay, then thank you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye for today, and we will meet soon for next video. On that next video I will tell you about what is, how many types